I'm not sure if anybody remembers this, but back in the early days, way earlier in this playlist, we had an issue where if we jump, the ground detector would detect the ground as soon as the player gets off the ground, and then we would immediately go into the landing motion. That has been fixed through writing just better code in ground detection. But I want to add a failsafe today. We wrote something called lock transition. This was from a backflip video. And I'm going to add a similar ability to the jump prep. So here's air movement, jump normal, jump. Let me check out the animation for this. Okay, for this animation, I want to lock transition until somewhere around 60%. So even if the code fails and detects the ground immediately on the same frame as the player's going up, we're going to we're going to lock transition until 60%. And then after that, if the ground is still detected, we're going to go into the landing motion. I'm going to go to my jump folder and create the ability. Lock transition, player, jump, normal, lock transition. And it'll be unlocked after 60% of the animation. And I'm going to add the ability to the jump animation. And if you remember the ground detector, which was very early code, I'm going to go in there. I added this check time just in case the ground detector might detect something on the same frame as the player is getting off the air. We don't need this anymore now that we have lock transition. I'm going to get rid of it. So we don't need the if here. Just check the ground. Make sure there's no errors. Save the code. Okay. If I play, ground detection should work just as it did before. It's just that we have a failsafe now. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.